Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Here we are discussing the most dangerous topic, that is, in this anything basically is going to happen. That is 11 parts basically. The world is telling that basically we have divided the world to 11 parts, and this 11 parts basically we have divided. In this basically we are talking about one topic, that is Sunil R. Nair story basically. In this basically they are telling that basically. Then one of the person asked basically, yeah, basically I want to know basically in India basically, you are in India basically, that? Yes, basically I am in India basically. The story basically, just see the story basically. In this story basically, anytime basically the earthquake can happen, anytime basically the city will go under water basically. Just taking as an example basically. This is that basically. Then one of the person told that, yes, yeah, basically. Then basically he told that this person basically is the Baba basically. He is basically Sindhi, na, basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically he is Sindhi basically. And he is very powerful basically. That also lots of people say that basically. Then also you have not got the job here basically. Then he told that no, yeah, basically. This group also not helped Sunil R. Nair basically. That means these groups are basically, if not helped, this group basically not helping. That means, then one of the person told that basically, then he actually connected to that basically. Then he told them basically, yeah, this group also not helped. That means Tata group not helped you basically. Tata group has not helped you basically. Then he told them, how basically you can connect this, the Brahma Kumari to the Tata group basically. Then basically he told them basically, the JRD Tata basically. Yeah, he is the historical person, iconic person basically. He might be connected with this basically. Then he told that JRD Tata might be connected with this family basically. You want to say that this Brahma Kumari? Then he told that yes basically. It might possible basically. Then one of the person told that basically, but the TCS basically is a Sindhi family. No, sorry, he's a Parsi family. Then basically he connected to the Parsi history, Parsi family's history. See basically, 8th and 9th century basically, the Parsi group arrived basically. Traditionally, Parsi people originated, settled at the Gulf, Persian. After like just a minute, I will just spell this basically. I will just spell this basically because it's very dangerous topic. That's why. This is going to connect lots of things basically. See basically.
Persian Gulf English. Faras ki khadi Angrezi.
Faras ki khadi. And this is term basically. English is telling.
Persian Gulf English.
Persian Gulf English.
Faras ki khadi Angrezi.
Faras, not Paras basically. Faras ki khadi Angrezi. So one of the person told that Parsi actually came from here basically. Then he told that yes, yeah, basically this basically. Then he told that, then basically how they are connected with this here basically. How you can say that basically. Then one of the person told that basically, it might possible that basically when they arrived to India basically, that time to finish their originality basically, somebody might have told that basically, you do one thing, you convert to this basically, convert, that is the Brahma Kumari basically. There basically nobody can track you basically. If in future basically anybody want to track you basically, then nobody can track you basically. Like this basically, the person basically who created the Gujarati caste basically he told. So one of the person told that who created the Gujarati caste here basically. Then he told the German basically. Then we will go to the German basically, because world is there basically. German history basically. See the German history basically. See basically the German history. And lots of people say that basically Germany actually created Gujaratis. So just see the chain basically, which is going to connect. Then one of the person told that German actually created Gujarati basically, right? Basically, yes, Gujarati was created by Germany here basically, and they are very silent basically. Gujaratis are basically they basically never speak to you, but they attacks very dangerously basically. They are sweet basically. Then in total basically sweet means basically they have created you problem basically. One of the person from universe told basically, no basically they have not created problem basically. I am just telling basically how basically the TCS groups basically came basically, and basically they taken the birth basically. How basically Brahma Kumari basically came into the picture. Then one of the person told that basically this basically groups are Muslim group basically. Yes, here basically these groups are Muslim group basically. They came from the Muslim countries basically. Then he told that basically how which kind of chain basically this is getting generated basically. Yeah? That need to check here basically. One of the person told there basically, like, can we take some break here basically? One of the World Bank person told that basically, yeah, let me have some break basically for 1 or 2 minutes basically, because the chain basically is connected to very dangerous level. So currently we are discussing one topic basically. In that basically how many earthquake basically came, that we will see basically. Turkey basically earthquake came, Portugal basically earthquake came, Philippines the earthquake came basically. Just see basically. Pakistan also basically one earthquake came. That time basically, that long before basically, it is 1 or 2 hours basically. We are just discussing just 10 minutes before, 10 minutes after basically that was earthquake. So just see, in India basically any earthquake came? Uttaranchal basically one earthquake basically. Yes basically. Only Uttaranchal basically earthquake came basically. So that means one of the person told that basically the German group are basically told that basically German group basically created Gujaratis, right? Basically, that means this family basically who are basically from Parsis family, they are basically originated from Gujarati basically, or basically they are Sindhis family basically. That basically was the confusion. Then one of the person told that basically it might possible that Sindhi and this family basically, that is the Parsi family basically, they might have done the marriage basically. Then he told that yes, basically, that might be possible basically. So one of the person told that basically the Tata group basically, that are the TCS group basically, they are then basically 100% connected with this basically. That means the in front of the world na basically, every time basically I tells, in front of the world basically one famous person basically has been introduced himself basically, that he is that basically, then that is all basically are wrong basically. That means one of the person told that basically the TCS basically, the Tata group, that is Tata Naval basically, and the Ratan Tata and the JRD, they are basically not the Parsi basically, they are playing the role of Parsi, and real basically they are from this family basically. That also might be possible basically. One of the person basically told that also basically. Then basically one of the person connected to few Rajasahi family basically. He connected to few Rajasahi family. Rajasahi means kingdom group basically, because they say that basically this basically are our people basically, these groups are our people. For example, in India basically anytime basically the bomb blast happen basically, that means you have to track this king only basically. This king will only basically is connected with this mafia groups basically. If anything basically happens in the stock exchange basically, that means this family basically are connected, that is the Rajasahi family. That means this Brahma Kumari, everything basically, this group basically are connected with any Rajasahi family, or basically they are from Rajasahi. Then he told them basically that basically need to check basically whether they are from Rajasahi, or basically they are basically like this and everything basically. That need to check basically. That need to check basically. That basically need to check. So one of the person told that basically we will stop here basically. In next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about the dangerous topic, that is city creations.